Welcome to Engagi tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to explore the different site where we can use the Engagi to speed up our work. You can use Engagi on many platforms like Quora, Tumblr, and etc. Now let's see how to use that. Simply go on the site. Once in, you can access this pop-up. For that, click on the Engagi icon here. You can find it also inside the extension list. You can pin it so that it will be visible all the time. Now open the pop-up and you will see these options here. You can write your own content here to generate the comment, or you can also copy from any post and paste here. For example, let's close this pop-up and copy the content details of this post. Now open the pop-up and paste the content here in the input section. Now you can select the other options like mood. Let's select the agree mood. After that, you can select the response length from these given option here based on the output word. Then you can select the promotion content if you got any. You can view your added option here and drop down. After that, you can choose among the advanced AI modal to generate the response. Let's select Mistral here. Now, all the steps are completed. Next is to generate the response. For that, click on the Generate button here. You will see the comment is being generated. All right, comment is now generated. You can now copy this comment to use. Just click this copy button. Now your comment is copied. You can use to comment on the post. Now, let's see the list of platform where you can use the Engagi. You can also use it on Mastodon. It is an X-like platform for marketing and social interaction. Next is Reddit. Here also you use the Engagi. You can see the pop-up to use on this page. After that, you have Tumblr, which has over 100 million users worldwide, a best social media platform to connect and interact with people. Next is the Pinterest, where you can use Engagi and connect more with people for business and personal purpose. It has over 500 million users. Next is the Blue Sky, where you can use Engagi to spread your personal and professional profile. All the platform has the same way to access the pop-up. Click on this icon here that is in your extension list, and this pop-up will appear. Then paste the content to generate the response. You can select the given option also to make the output comment more specific and interactive. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.